Okay, in today's lecture we are doing Wurst reaction. Wurst reaction is an organic reaction in which a haloalkane Rx reacts with sodium in presence of dry ether to form an alkane along with a sodium halide. This is an alkane having double number of carbon atoms present in the original haloalkane. This is our haloalkane and this is an alkane. Now this alkane usually contains even number of carbon atoms. Okay, now let us take one example. If we take this CH3Cl and if it is reacted with sodium in presence of dry ether, then we will get CH3. Here the reaction is very simple. Rx is here, the trig is nothing but Rx, and put another Rx, this is another Rx, and in between them put sodium and take out this sodium halide. 2 moles of sodium will be used, and 2 moles of alkyl halides will also be used. So we will get this R and the R as the alkane. So now this alkyl group is to be doubled in the alkane formed, okay, plus NaCl. I'm not balancing the reaction here. Okay, if we take this ethyl chloride, then we will get dry ether. D is dry ether, double of ethyl group, which is this, or N butane. Okay, now if we take another example, what if we take this isopropyl chloride of bromide, and if it is reacted with sodium in presence of dry ether, then what will be the product? Now in this case we need to double this alkyl group actually, and the another alkyl group will be attached to this carbon atom, not this carbon atom. Okay, trick is like this: CH3 CH3, here it is Br, and I put another such molecule like this, and from here with sodium we will take out sodium bromide and combine this carbon atom and this carbon atom, make one bond between these two carbon atoms, and we will get the alkane. This is our isopropyl group, isopropyl, and another isopropyl will be attached like this, plus NaBr. Okay, now here some important point about Wurst reaction. what if water is present, means if the Wurst reaction is undergone in hydrated condition, what will happen? Actually when water is present, the sodium that we will take in Wurst reaction will react with water instead of reacting with sodium, instead of reacting with alkyl halide, sodium will react with water, and they react vigorously to form sodium hydroxide. Okay, this sodium hydroxide will be acting as nucleophile and will react with the methyl chloride or ethyl chloride or any haloalkane as nucleophile. This is minus, this is plus, this will attack this carbon atom and displace chlorine, and we will get CH3Cl will be this substituted by OH, and we will get alcohol as our product. Okay, this is very important question. So when in Wurst reaction, if the reaction occurs in hydrated condition, then the alcohol will be our final product, not the alkane. Okay, this is important point, one important point. Another important point of Wurst reaction is if tertiary alkyl halide alkyl halide is taken, alkene substitution reaction takes place predominantly to form the alkene as the major product. Alkene will be major, alkene will be what? Major product. Okay. Example, if we react this CH3 Cl, okay, this is tertiary butyl chloride, and if it is reacted with sodium, then we will get the alkane also, but since it is a tertiary alkyl halide, then we will get actually the alkene as the major product like this. This will be major product, and the alkane in which this alkyl group is doubled, that will be our minor product. Another important point about Wurtz reaction is that when methyl chloride and ethyl chloride, it means a mixture of ethyl and methyl chloride, or propyl chloride, whatever call. Let us take this as the ethyl chloride. A mixture of two different alkyl halides, if they are reacted with sodium in presence of dry ether, then what will be the major product? In this case, as I told you earlier, that this alkane is a symmetrical alkane containing even number of carbon atoms. Therefore, three products will be obtained here. One is double of this alkyl group, which is ethane, and the double of this alkyl group, this is what is N butane. Okay, and combining this and this, we will also get propane as one of the products. Now, among these three products, which one will be our major product? That for that we need to check, or we need to choose the symmetrical alkanes which contains even number of carbon atoms, means this ethane and N-butane will be our major product, and this will be our minor product. Again, that will also depend upon the amount of the two alkyl groups, alkyl halides that we have taken. Okay, let us take one more example of Wurtz reaction. Okay, now what if I react this haloalkane 1,2,3,4,1,4-dichlorobutane, if it is reacted with sodium in presence of dry ether, what will be the product? And another question is, if this halide, this is Cl, this is Cl, if this halide is reacted with sodium, then what will be the product? These two questions I am giving you. This is assignment. This is based on Wurtz reaction, and try to solve these two questions and give the answer in the comment box. And in the next lecture of organic chemistry, I'll give the answer of these two questions. Okay, thank you for today.